Assalamu-Alikum and welcome back. So our today topic is classification of research by method. In this we will discuss about the qualitative research and quantitative research. Like the quantitative research and qualitative research are two fundamental approaches of conduct the research in various fields. It include the education, social sciences and healthcare. So, what is quantitative research? They have some characteristics included numerical data. It is used formally stated that hypothesis and procedure use of control to minimize the effect of factors that could interfere with the outcome of the research. And there is a large number of participating subjects, use of pencil and paper tests, questionnaires, etc. They need a sample size larger but cover a single issue, and the design included structure are predetermined. They have deductive analysis, and they have random sampling, statistical summary of result, quantitative data, and they have the objectivity, reliability, as well as the validity. The descriptive research are survey research. They have two types, and it is needed are the steps included correlational research and casual comparative research and experimental research. We discuss all of them. So, what is qualitative research? They include some characteristics included extensive narrative data, and the design are unstructured, and they have flexible and open-ended questions. Sample size smaller, but it cover multiple issues, macro level. Inductive analysis and qualitative data, word and pictures include no complete objectivity and reliability. Examples include the grounded theory, uh, biography, case study, and content analysis, as well as historical research is also a part of the qualitative research. What is historical research? As the name says that historical research justifies itself when used to find out the solution of the present data problem on the basis of the experience of the past. So it analyzes the past event and develop present concept and conclusion. It describes what occurred in the past. And they have some characteristics. Historical research involves a careful study and analysis of data about past events, that what is happened. So people recall it and then they conclude what will be the conclusion uh, in the present situation. So it is a critical investigation of event and their development experiences of the past. So the purpose is to gain a clearer understanding of the impact of the past on present and future event related to the life process. As well as it involve the review of written material, but may include oral documentation as well. Like we heard from someone that what is happened in the past, and what are the circumstances, and what was the situation at that time, and what was before, and if that is happen and nowadays are the present situation, then what will be the circumstances, as well as what will be the solution or conclusion. So it is very critical and very authentic. Typically, it rely on available data, which are in the form of diaries, letters, newspapers, reports, and so on. So it cover categories such as historical, legal documentaries, and bibliographical, institutional, and organizational. So the important and existing sources for nurse researcher are hospital records, order sheets, nursing chart, physicians, and care plan statements. Because the historical research involved the systematic study of past events, people, and culture to gain a deeper understanding of historical phenomena. It aimed to reconstruct and interpret the past, often using primary sources such as documentaries, images, and artifacts. There are some steps of historical research. First is collection of data because they need systematic way. And the uh, second step is criticism of the data, and the third step is presentation of the facts. Now, what is a descriptive research? It is the most widely used research design as indicated by the thesis, dissertation, and research report of institution. Its common means of obtaining information include the use of questionnaire, personal interview with the aid of study guide, or interview schedule and observation, either participatory or not. So they have some characteristic included is it is concerned not with the characteristics of individual but with the characteristic of the whole population or a sample thereof. So it collects data from a relatively large number of subjects, and it provides information useful to the solution of the local problem. Its scope is very vast, and surveys may be qualitative or quantitative. So description may be either verbal or expressed in the mathematical terms. There are some steps included in the method. The first is they identify the problem, then they review literature and select participants and instruments, collect valid and reliable data, analyze data, report conclusions. So they have some experimental research, like experimentation is the name given to the type of educational research in which the investigator control the educative factor to which a child or group of children is subjected during the period of inquiry and observe the resulting achievements. They have some steps included. State the research problem, determine if experimental method apply or not, specify the independent variables and specify the dependent variables, because in equation we have two variables, the dependent variable and independent variable. Now state the tentative hypothesis and determine measure to be used. Pause to consider potential success and identify intervening extraneous variable from a statement of research hypothesis, and they design the experiment. A final estimate of potential success, and they conduct a study as planned, analyze the collected data, prepare a research report. So these are the steps that included in the experimental research.